A. Alloy of sodium with mercury. Silver amalgam. B. Molecular formula of common ore of aluminum. Al2O3.NH2O. C. The oxide that forms salt and water by reacting with both acid and base. Aluminum oxide, Al2O3. D. Device used for grinding an ore. The device used for grinding an ore is grinding mill. E. The non-metal having electrical conductivity. Graphite having electrical conductivity. F. The reagent that dissolves noble metals. Aqua regia is the reagent that dissolves noble metals like gold and platinum. Match the following. Number 1. Potassium bromide, soluble in water. 2. Gold, high ductility. 3. Sulfur, combustible. 4. Neon, no chemical reaction. Question. Identify the pairs of metals and their ores from the following. Number 1. Bauxite, aluminum. 2. Cassiterite, tin. 3. Cinnabar, mercury. Question 4. Explain the terms. A. Metallurgy. Answer. Metallurgy is the process used for extraction of metals in their pure form from their ores. Then metals are further purified by different methods of purification. All the process is called metallurgy. C. Minerals. Answer. The naturally occurring compounds of metals along with other impurities are known as minerals. Examples. Rocks are composed of mixtures of minerals. Talc and granite are minerals. D. Gangue. Answer. Ores contain metal compounds with some of the impurities like soil, sand, rocky material, etc. These impurities are called gangue. Write scientific reasons. Number 1. Lemon or tamarind is used for cleaning copper vessels turned greenish. Answer. Copper undergoes oxidation in air to form black copper oxide. Copper oxide reacts slowly with carbon dioxide in air and gains a green coat. This green substance is copper carbonate. Lemon and tamarind contain acid. The acid dissolves the green coating of basic copper carbonate present on the surface of a tarnished copper utensil and makes it shiny again. 2. Generally, the ionic compounds have high melting points. Answer. The ionic compounds exist in solid state and are hard due to strong electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions. The intermolecular force of attraction is high in ionic compounds, and large energy is required to overcome it. Therefore, ionic compounds have high melting points. 3. Sodium is always kept in kerosene. Answer. Sodium reacts so vigorously with atmospheric oxygen that it catches fire if kept in the open. It does not react with kerosene and sinks in it. Hence, to protect sodium and to prevent accidental fires, it is always kept in kerosene. 4. Pine oil is used in the froth flotation process. Answer. In the concentration of an ore by froth flotation process, the ore is mixed with water and pine oil. When air is bubbled through the mixture, a froth is formed. The mineral particles in the ore are preferentially wetted by the oil and float on the top in the froth. The gangue particles are wetted by water and settle down. Thus, the mineral can be separated from the gangue and the ore is concentrated. 5. Anodes need to be replaced from time to time during the electrolysis of alumina. Answer. During electrolysis of alumina, the oxygen liberated at the carbon anode reacts with graphite rods, carbon anode, and forms carbon dioxide. As the anodes get oxidized during electrolysis of alumina, they are continuously eroded. Hence, it is necessary to replace anodes from time to time.